Happy holidays, everyone. My name is Jeff, and I'll be your spokesperson from the Stream Machines YouTube channel, where we've taken the difficult things of streaming and help you with them one video at a time. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to add Big Kev's Kodi Christmas build, the holiday edition. Just stay tuned. We're going to jump right on in. Now, you're going to need a copy of Kodi. You can get that from several different places. Troy Point, Google Play Store, like I did. So once you're here, what you're going to want to do is go up to the gear icon, press OK. And then you want to go down to System at the bottom, press OK. Go down to Add-ons, push to the right. Go down to Unknown Sources, press OK to toggle it on. Highlight Yes, press OK. Then you're going to hit the back button to go back a page. Then you're going to go up to File Manager, press OK. Then you're going to go to Add Source, press OK. You're going to highlight None, press OK, and then we're going to type in this one here step by step. So it might be a minute, but let's do it together. Hit that so we can change it to this. Boom. Then you go back down and do it again so we can get the forward slashes. It's very long. MC. Almost there. Trying to take my time and do it right. This one's a long one, so take your time. If you got to pause the video, you can. I think I have it right for the first time. Yay! And that should do it right there. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to go down over to the right here and press OK. Cross your fingers that it's OK. It is OK. At the very bottom, you'll go down one. You'll see Doomsday. Enter into the media source. You're going to press the OK button there. Then you're going to hit the back button, and then you're going to go over to add-ons. Press the OK button on your remote. And then I think you're going to go to install from zip file. Boom. And then you're going to find the Doomsday in the zip file there. When you're right there, so you're going to press OK on that. And then you're going to go to repository, Doomsday, the zip file right there. And then you're going to press OK. You're going to wait a second until you see it says Doomsday Repo at the top. Let it disappear. From there, you're going to go down to, or up, I should say, to install from repository. And then from there, you're going to highlight Doomsday Repo right here and press OK. And then I believe you're going to go to Program Add-ons, press OK. And then you're going to go to Doomsday Simple Wizard, press OK. And then you're going to highlight Install at the bottom there. Press OK. You're going to wait until it's installed. It'll flash a little bit, go through some options, or go from 0%, hopefully, up to 100%. We're at 33%. Then you're going to keep all that there and press OK. And you'll see that it is definitely there. Okay. So we're going to hit close. Then we're going to go back all the way back to the home page here. Back to the home page, back to the home page. And then we're going to go down to program the add-ons here. Then we'll go to program add-ons. All right. Press OK. And then we're going to click on build menu. And once we do build menu, we're going to look for the Christmas version, hopefully 1.2. Let's see. Well, I have the Christmas version 1.3. Let's do the Christmas version 1.3. We're going to press OK. And it says the wizard is ready to install. You're going to highlight continue. Press OK. And it should download the build for us. This looks like an amazing skin and something fun to do. Now I'm pretty sure you're going to need, if you're going to use this build, which I use add-ons, you're going to need Real to Brid, All to Brid, or Premiumize. You're going to need those things to run it correctly. So that's a heads up on that. Let it extract the files here. Sorry, it's taking a little bit longer than expected. I thought it would be faster in my dungeon. We're about 72%. Once it's done, I'm going to close it out and then open it so you can see what it looks like. And then we'll close out the video. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to force Kodi to close. And then we'll go back and open it real quick like this. And let it open up so you can see what it looks like. And hopefully, and there you go. Now you have installed the holiday build. That is absolutely amazing. Give it a try. I'm not going to go into everything that's here, but that looks really, really good. I'm going to mess with this on a personal level. But once again, if you're going to use this, you're going to need Real Debrid, All Debrid, or Premiumize. You're going to need a scraper to scrape the internet for what you're looking for. With that said, have a Merry Christmas, everyone, and we'll see you in the next